Today's question is regarding if you can transfer Chase Ultimate Rewards points between spouses. And the good news answer is yes, you can, and you can do so with no fee. And in fact, you can transfer them between two people at the same household. So you don't have to be spouses, for example. And they do let you combine points, transfer points to one another, or even move points to one another's loyalty accounts. Now, if you don't have this feature set up already, you will have to call Chase in order to add someone as a household member. But if you do already have that person added in your account, you can easily transfer combined points online. Now, this is different than Southwest, which charges you a hefty fee to transfer points between accounts, so you never want to do that. Chase Ultimate Rewards allows you to do so with no fee. You can get your points where you need them over there and then transfer them over to Southwest or to Hyatt or to whatever loyalty program you want from there.